Dear students, today we will solve one problem from quadratic equations. The question is solve 4 power x minus 3 into 2 power x plus 3 plus 128 equal to 0. So, to solve this question, what we do is, so given question is 4 power x minus 3 times 2 power x plus 3 plus 128 is equal to 0. So, this implies this 4 power x can be written as 2 power x whole square minus 3 into this is 2 power x plus 3 is nothing but 2 power x into what? 2 cube plus 128 is equal to 0. So, this implies 2 power x whole square minus this is 8 3s are 24 into 2 power x plus 128 is equal to 0. Next, what you do is, for algebraic convenience, you let t is equal to 2 power x. So, if t is equal to 2 power x, 2 power is an exponential, therefore, it is always positive. So, it is always positive. Now, if you substitute in place of 2 power x t, then it becomes t square minus 24t plus 128 is equal to 0. Now, it is a quadratic in t. Solve for t. To solve for t, t square, this minus 24 is 16t minus 8t. 16 8s are 128 plus 128 is equal to 0. That implies t into t minus 16 minus 8 into t minus 16 is equal to 0. Now, take out t minus 16 common. Therefore, t minus 16 into t minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, t is equal to 16 and t is equal to 8. But we need to solve for x, not for t. That is why again what we have taken 2 power x equal to t. Therefore, in place of t replace 2 power x because our requirement is x. Therefore, 2 power x is equal to 16. Here 2 power x is equal to what? 8. That implies 2 power x is equal to 8 means 2 power x equal to what? 2 power 4. Here 2 power x equal to 2 cube. So, from first one x is equal to 4, from second one x is equal to 3. Therefore, the solutions are what? X is equal to 4 and x is equal to 3. These are the solutions of this quadratic.